Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore crawl control using parameter handling in Search Console, full guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring crawl control, log into your Google Search Console account. Once logged in, select the property for the website you want to manage. In the left sidebar, click on Settings. Under the crawl section, locate Crawl Stats. Here, you can review your website's crawl activity. Next, click on URL Inspection in the left sidebar. Enter the URL you want to check in the search bar at the top. After entering the URL, click the Enter key or the search icon. Review the results to understand how Google sees your page. If you notice any crawl errors, take note of their details. Return to the left sidebar and click on Coverage. Under the Coverage Report, you will see the status of your indexed pages. Look for any errors or warnings listed. For each error, click on it to find more information. Follow the provided recommendations to fix them. Once you've made the necessary changes, return to the URL inspection tool. Resubmit the corrected URL for indexing. Next, navigate back to Settings on the left sidebar. This time, look for Crawl Rate. If you need to adjust your site's crawl rate, select Change Crawl Rate. Choose a preferred setting, either let Google decide or limit Google's crawl rate. Save your changes. Additionally, ensure your website's robots.txt file is properly configured. Access your robots.txt file and check for any disallow rules. Remove or edit rules that may block important pages from being crawled. Using the Removals tool, temporarily hide any URLs that you don't want Google to crawl. Lastly, monitor your coverage report regularly for any changes. By following these steps, you can effectively restore crawl control using parameter handling in Search Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.